friends at CC Rider for sending this out. This is a seat that I don't have a bike for this, so we're going to find someone who does. So first, let's pop this thing open. And when you're opening a seat, always be careful because you don't want to go too deep with your blade and cut the seat. So I just get it started here and then rip it. The tape will pop once you get it started, because you do not want to cut your new seat. That'd be a bad thing. So let's pop this open and see what we got. And again, I do not have a bike for this seat, but I know someone who does, who will at least let us try it out on the bike. Okay, so again, we got the foam like we always do. You know, CC Rider packs their stuff well, and it comes in a wonderful bag, which is awesome. Let's get this. First of all, let's make sure there's nothing else in the box. Don't eat the silica gel. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Now, kaboom, we have our seat. And of course it's in a knot. Here we go. Yeah, this is for actually, we've got a Road Glide here and we've got a Lowrider S, and this seat is not for either of those. This is for a Dyna. And while I used to have a Dyna, I no longer do, but CC Rider really wants to promote this seat. And of course we want to help them any way we can because they've been very good to our channel. So I've got some friends who do have Dynas who will at least let us try this out on their bike so that we can see what it looks like and you know, get it on a bike so you can just see how it looks. So let me mess with this cord, this knot, and I'll be right back. You know, it's something simple. I just pulled the wrong string and, you know, but I finally got it. So let's pop this thing out and see what we have. Oh, baby. Look at that. This is beautiful. This is a nice step-up seat. Gel insert, of course, for the rider and the passenger. It's got the diamond with the red stitching. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. Great stitching. You know, this... Say what you want about CC Rider. I know they're affordable seats. They're not cheap. There's a difference between affordable and cheap. This is not a cheap seat. This is a really good, high quality seat. And it's just, I really wish more people, I hope you guys take the time to check out CC Rider. They make a great, great seat. This is the little tab that you slide this under. Then of course in the bag, we have the tab that goes on the back. They don't ship that because it would be damaged. I'll pop that on. We'll take this to our friend. We'll say, hey, can I try this on your bike? And see what it looks like on a Dyna. But CC Rider, man, I'm telling you, they make a really high quality seat. Comfortable. I've told you 1,000 times I've ridden and you're tired of hearing me say it? That's okay. I've ridden to Daytona and back on a CC Rider seat, and it's one of the most comfortable seats I've ever had. I've gotten over 10,000 miles on mine, and I love it. So this thing is absolutely beautiful. The red stitching just pops. Great looking seat. You gotta give them that. It's a beautiful seat. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drive this. We're gonna head over and to my buddy's and let him try this thing out on his bike and just see what it looks like on a bike. So as you can see, it's the silver black with the red trim. So this seat, he's gracious enough to let us try this seat out on his bike. And so we're gonna pop this on and see what it looks like on his Dyna. The color matches pretty well. And we'll see what it looks like. I think it's gonna look good.
Smash my fingers in the process.
Yeah, I just gotta push it down probably and then get that thing to bite. So we got it on there. I mean, it really looks great with this color combination. If you look at the red he's got here, and that just flows. And Greg's just gonna tighten this up. And Greg, tell us about this bike. What year is your bike?
It's a 2015 Lowrider.
2015 Lowrider. It's in beautiful shape, man. And check out the fairing. Got the Memphis shades, color match.
Oh yeah.
It's beautiful. I mean, this bike.
It's been a long way. Got suspension upgrades.
Wow, absolutely beautiful bike. And the seat does look good. The red stitching works good with your pinstriping. So once we get the seat on, I just want you to sit on it just so we can get an idea of if you think it's comfortable, if you think it might be a decent seat for somebody, just to get some feedback from somebody other than me. So we'll just see what you think of it. And I appreciate you letting us demo it on your bike.
Oh yeah.
How's it? Is it push it back?
Soft. The step up comes right up good on my back, but
Good.
lets me lean into it.
Yep.
Feels good. Feels like it wouldn't slide off.
They're really comfortable. Like I said, I've got one. I've put 15,000 miles on. I love it. So
The gel feels really great. I can tell a difference from the factory seat over this one already.
well, since it's already on the bike, I'm not going to have you take it off. I'm just going to let you keep that seat, and you can ride it and see what you think of it. And a gift from Bob's Garage, because I don't have a Dyna and you do.
Awesome.
So yeah.
Well, heck yeah.
So there you go. I mean, color matched, looks good. So folks, there. I mean, if you haven't checked out CC Rider seats, please check.